Hey, everybody, and happy St. Patrick's Day from Savannah. St. Patrick's Day, that means only one thing. Drunk people. And Rice Krispie treats. What is better than Rice Krispie treats? Only one thing. Lucky Charms Rice Krispie treats. Today, we are going to make a new, different, and better St. Patrick's Day version of Rice Krispie treats. So it's going to start with a warm pot on the stove and a stick of butter. Only one stick of butter? Only one? Only one bag of marshmallows? Bob? Oh, yeah. And the pan is warm. So we're going to melt the butter, which is not going to take long because my pan was already hot. The butter's melted, and I don't want to let it burn, so I'm going to stir, and I'm going to add our marshmallows. Good. And I'm going to let them melt, but not completely. Going to let them get about halfway or a little more melted. And then we'll turn off the pot and we'll take it from the heat. We'll stir in the rest of our delicious ingredients. Lucky Charms Rice Krispie treats. Who'd have ever thought? Teresa, did you know that they still make Lucky Charms?
Yes, I did. I like Lucky. I used to
every day.
Lucky Charms.
It's amazing how much. I can't believe I still have teeth as much of that kind of stuff as I ate when I was a kid.
Captain Crunch was the best.
I had all those cereals. So Cocoa Puffs, Fruity Cocoa Puffs, Count Chocula, Fruit Loops, Apple Jacks. I think Apple Jacks were my favorite. Y'all remember Apple Jacks? Do they still make those?
Yeah.
Oh, man. So these marshmallows are, golly, they're melting nice. That looks about where I want it as far as melting is concerned. I can still make out that there's a marshmallow shape in there, but they're mostly melted. So let's go ahead and turn off our stove. Oh, not up, off, sir. Put it on a cold eye now, and let's add in our Rice Krispies. I used to love these too. Now I'm more of an oatmeal guy. The older you get, you know? Yes, beautiful. Beautiful. And we'll also add in our Lucky Charms. This is what's going to make it over the top St. Patrick's Day. It's going to give us that good festive color. And Teresa, you want to pour in, how many Guinnesses do you want to pour in? I'm just kidding. Some might want to do it. On St. Patrick's Day, all bets are off. At least in Savannah, it's true. If you've never been to Savannah for St. Patrick's Day, it is quite an event. So there is lots of, libations. A lot of music, a lot of partying, a lot of walking around. People are super, super happy.
There's a lot of family in the center, not so much in the touristy section.
Yeah, it's a very family summer event. Just kidding. The parade certainly is. Okay, so I've got this mixed together, and then I've got my 9x13 pan over here already sprayed. And into our pan we're going to go. Did I miss anything? I think not. Yeah. No, we're good to go. All right. So let's get our mixture into the pan. There it is. Teresa, look at this. I think this is going to be really good. I was making a little bit of fun, but not so much anymore. All right. It's nice and spread out here. I remember liking Rice Krispie treats when I was a kid, too. All this stuff, man. All of it. Ooh, look at that. All that marshmallow in there. Wait. If you don't have any cavities right now, stick around. You will.
You know, you could also, if you wanted it a little more green, you could just add some food coloring.
Food coloring would do it.
And you're going to laugh when I tell you this, but there are actually marshmallows that match Lucky Charms that you can find sometimes in your marshmallow section.
Get out of here.
And you could put those over the top if you really wanted to take it to a whole nother level.
Okay. I like that. Good idea as all. I like the idea of the food coloring. I think that's the one.
And sprinkles. You could do sprinkles.
Cycles you could do. Yeah, sure could. Okay. That looks really, really good to me. And let's see.
We need
Let them chill for 30 minutes. And then just cut them up and enjoy, which we will do. The hardest part is waiting. So let's take a break. Well, the Lucky Charms Rice Krispie treats are out of the refrigerator. They're nice and cool and they're ready to cut. So, I'm going to see if a butter knife will do the trick. Let's see. How many do you think we're going to get out of here? That's 2. No, that's not quite right. That's too thin. Let's see. 1, 2. Yeah, we're just gonna have a wide one. That's okay. Oh yeah. Cool enough to cut. Mm-hmm. Oh. Happy St. Patrick's Day. They are, man, those marshmallows are like thick. Okay. Who wants Rice Krispie treats, Teresa? And Ed? And Aunt Peggy and Mama and Michael? Oh my gosh. Gosh, look at that. Let's see how they are. Scrumptious. Magically delicious. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. When you make your Rice Krispie treats this year, make them with Lucky Charms. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Please have some, Teresa.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.